In this video, we will see work area of PhotoSense. First of all, the place where we can see this image is in document area. On the left hand side, we have the toolbox where multiple tools are placed. Now upside there is the ribbon which shows the multiple tasks done by the tools from the toolbox. Whichever tool we select, the ribbon changes accordingly. As for now, we select move tool, then it got changed. Then we select rotation tool, it changed accordingly. Same way, we can select different tools and the ribbon changes according to the selected tool. On the right hand side, we have the layer window and a history window. On bottom, we have bottom palette, which is our media gallery. We can call it bottom window also. If we want to do automatic album designing, then this panel is very useful. From this place, we can open and off this panel. In this panel, first is user design, which will show the preview of your images in this palette. Second is photos. Under this tab, there are 4 options given to you. First is the add photos from folder. The window will appear of folders and images. You can select any of the folder or images on which you want to work. As for now sample, we are selecting any of the folder. The images will get previewed on this panel. Second is multi-photo box. This is specialized for album designing. Below this there is rotate clockwise and rotate anti-clockwise. From these buttons we can rotate any of the images. As for now sample, we are rotating this image in a clockwise. It got rotated. Now we will rotate it again and anti-clockwise. On the corner we have the commands of the layer given. Layer style, adjustment layer, mask menu, move layer up and down, unlink layer, link layer, add layer and delete layer. On the top we have all the menus. First is file menu, edit menu, image menu, layer menu, select menu, filter menu. Under this menu, mostly used editing options are given. Then action and plug menu, view menu. You can view on and off by using this menu. As for now, we have done show layer, then show layer, show ruler, then ruler get appear. We have done in inches, the unit is selected in inches. We can change it from here. Show pixels, so now it got changed into pixel. Then in centimeter we can change it the unit from this ruler unit. We can off by clicking on it. Then there is photo view sort. You can sort the images which are given to you by name, by create date, by edit date, by file extension. You can sort the images. Then if you want to measure the length of your image, you can do it with the measure length option. Center guide is used in album designing mostly. It gives you perfect idea. Then zoom out, zoom in, and the last one is fit. It will fit in your whole document area. So this is all about the working area of the PhotoSense. We will see this all other tabs, how they work in the next video.